What's up, guys? My name is Jack, and welcome to Invest Today. Today, we're going to talk about TD Ameritrade and go over the Thinkorswim platform. Let's get right into it. What's up, guys? So, welcome to the Thinkorswim platform. Thinkorswim is awesome because when TD charges you $6.95 per trade, this is where you get your money back with this software. So, let's start immediately with the Monitor tab. The Monitor tab is where you can see all the stock positions that you have, the quantity, your profit loss when you opened them, your profit loss in terms of percentage, your profit loss for the day, the market value, what you traded for the particular stock, and what it currently is at right now. As well as you can see in the top left, your net liquidity in day trades. If you were to sell everything right now, how much money would you end up having? Your long stock value, the value of all the money you have currently in the stock market, and available funds for trading, like your cash on hand. And then over here, you can see all your different accounts. You can fluctuate between kind of all the accounts that you have open right now and just kind of see how they're doing in a good, really overview position. Now, in the trade tab, it's not a tab I use a lot. It's more for day traders. If that's your thing, this will be definitely a tab that you're in all the time, but it's kind of, you can see the active trader, you can see volume overlaid with the price action, as well as the current ask and bid sizes that are coming in real time. So this is pretty cool. You can really stay on top of it. If you want to get in at a very specific price, it's pretty easy. You just go over here to the bid size, you can put the bid size in, and right now it's just buy one stop, sell one stop, sell limits, so it's honestly, I've never really used it too much because I'm more of a long-term trader, but they have this day trading option here, guys. The Analyze tab is my favorite personally because you can look at, let's say this is Coors, Michael Kors. You can see all what the price, the stock fluctuation on earnings reports, whether it went up, went down, their volatility, and then kind of what the numbers were if they beat or missed. So as you can see here, it looks like they had a slight miss, then they had 3 crazy beats, and now it's actually been four very strong beats. So you can kind of look back, and it really helps. The fundamentals tab is my personal favorite under the Analyze tree, and because you can get access to all these, top level research teams, CFRA, Credit Suisse, the Street, Market Edge, and you can pretty much just click on the reports. It'll take you right there, and it kind of takes you through exactly what they think about the stock, and they compare it to their peers, and then they also rate it on a 5-star scale and kind of what they think of the stock. Coors is an awesome stock, so it has some good ratings. It was actually the first stock I ever owned, so it has a pretty special place in my heart. So let's moving on. This is simply, I just set the parameters for, this is in terms of net change. So I don't use it much. It's just kind of to scan all the stocks in the market and see, whatever fits your parameters. And you can definitely play around with it, and if you're looking for a specific, criteria, you can use this to kind of facilitate that and, look for PE ratios and all that stuff. So if you want to find a new stock, this is the tab for you. Market Watch just kind of goes over earnings, any dividends, or you can pretty much look at all the stock news for the entire stock market here. It has pretty much everything laid out and built in, so it's good just to, know if you have any. You'll see, like over here, as you can see, FedEx has an earnings crawl coming up, so it'll tell you right here. You just see this little light bulb, and then the red telephone is letting you know something's coming up for that company. And now this is so FedEx is a stock I own, and this chart might seem overwhelming at first, but we simply have the 20, the 50, and the 200-day moving averages, and it's very easy to add these studies. You can put these in. They don't come in preset. I actually added these in, and kind of because I like to look at, possible with their algorithms. This is like a triangle, and it'll give you little information, the prediction period where the stock might bounce around in. So we'll see if this one's correct. Sometimes they are correct. As you can see here, that one's most pretty good, and other times they just totally miss, like that red one down there. So it's just some more information that you can have to kind of help you with your stock trading. You have different types of charts that you can easily switch right into. For FedEx, so if you want to look like a 20 or 4-day chart, or I could say a 1-day, 1-minute chart if you're more day trading. So you can even see your little 20 and 200 days. So, it's very easy to switch in between charts. We can switch to Alibaba, no problem. We can do, I personally like the 1 year daily chart for myself. We can see how kind of this stock has, broken its support levels and kind of crashed through the floor. So tools, this one is it's more like a community forum where you can kind of post some ideas and see what other people are trading. Not much to see there. The education tab is awesome because they have free stock market courses for you to take if you wanted to, in workshops. As you can see here, there's one in San Diego. Or you can look like, let's say, dividend income investing. They have different courses for you to take, and something, it's honestly, it just helps you build kind of, your overall information. It's very important. So this is something TD has that I don't think any other broker's account has, or at least not to this level. And it honestly, it has great, as well as customer support. You have the learning center. You get some free trades if you do that, and that you can call any day, 24/7, and they'll be there for sure. You can look at kind of like the system, your CPU usage, and how much it's taking up of your computer's memory at the time, so you can run multiple things. I've never had a problem with it, but over here you have your watch list. You can add as many stocks as you want, and kind of just group them all together. I try to group them together, kind of like industries, but they kind of get jumbled sometimes. CNBC, you can click right on and watch it live right here, and you can look at your connected and real-time data. So that's all I have for you guys. I want to do a brief introduction on Thinkorswim. Went over the studies. You can have the volume and some histograms and forecasts. You can put this all in yourself. It's very simple. If you like this series, let me know, guys, and I'll keep it up, and we can go into actually how to add all the studies and the market forecast and all those other tools that help you be the best trader you can be. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. Please click the subscribe button right here. Throw me a like, throw me a comment. What did you think of this tutorial? You want me to do some more of these? Or let's maybe possibly focus more on just a stock video. So let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you next time.